Have you ever just given your phone to your toddler and they're watching a show and they go through your phone? Or if you want to prevent from someone snooping through your phone, all you have to do is turn on guided access. So you go into your settings and then you're going to scroll down until you find accessibility. So you're going to go ahead and click on that, and then you're going to scroll down until you find guided access. Here is what you're going to turn on. So that gives you a list of passcode settings, time limits, accessibility shortcut, and display auto lock. You're going to click on passcode settings. Here you're going to set up guided access passcode. For this demonstration, I'm just going to put 000, and then make sure you turn on accessibility shortcut. So when you give back the phone to your toddler or whoever is on your phone, all you have to do is just click the power button 3 times. This will show on the screen that says guided access started. So once you do that, they will no longer be able to go through your phone. It's locked on just whatever app you decided to put them to watch the show, or whoever's using your phone. In order to take this off, you're just going to, again, go on your power button, press 3 times, and then here is where you're going to enter your passcode. The secret passcode that you decided to put, go ahead and enter that, and then you're just going to press end on the far left corner. And now it says guided access ended. So now you can go back onto your phone. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and follow for more.